Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
State President ke National People's Party Meghalaya uba Prestone tensong ubadeiru usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela. Habakren halor ke election MP uloong ba ke National People's Party ke Pynieng ya Kyrtong na kebentak election MP Shiteng Samoy na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Uloong ba kaseng kalarai ban pet ho bha shwa ya Kyrtong uban ai reng ha ke election. Shu uloong ba kaseng kan sa penbenapat ba yanu ki ibet banjit Kyrtong bat pentip ba kidon bun ngut ki bapan tiket. Uba Prestone uloong ba karai kan syong ha ke election committee banjit yanu ki ibet ban Pynieng.
Time I've already told you from the party side, we have decided to field candidate to this by-election to the Lok Sabha from Shillong Parliamentary Constituency.
Who is the candidate?
We will let you know. We will let you know. Time will come. The appropriate time will come.
How many are vying for
We
the
have quite a
party
number.
ticket?
Yeah, we have quite a number of them. But let the election committee decide on this.